A lot of replies came from both the opposition and the government in response to the 2023 national budget allocation. East Sepik Governor Allan Bird in his response said that the budget allocation is a fair budget under the Marape Rosso government.
Time, Mama Law, you may been writing plenty time. You missing out law fair and equitable distribution. I me like to call them this la budget and me come up in this place. So me like to thank you long Marape Rosso government.
Governor Bird also thanked the government for the increase in the budget for law and order. He requested if there can be some form of accountability in using such a big amount of money so that everyone will know where all these funds go and how it is being used.
Time Commissioner ikisim budget blong him na yupla allocate him. How much you plus spend him inside lo East Sepik, please talk sawe. How much you plus spend him lo Western Highlands, please talk sawe. Mipla all province mas sawe how much you plus police department i plan lo spend him lo province lo mipla so mipla too can come na hold him hand one time you pla lo solve him this la problem bring him down law and order lo country. Pass in blo hire him car blo police please and must stop. Mi amamas too lo increase blo law and justice sector budget igolo 232 million.
He also commended the government for the inclusion of the budget repair. Samantha Solomon, National EMTV News.